Hello, everybody. Welcome back. We are on level 5 of lesson 10, combining inputs and outputs. This is about change. Let's see if we can use a slider to change how fast our LEDs will blink. We'll use the change event so the lights are updated right away instead of pressing a button. So do this. Get the value from the sliders and store it in a variable. Use a variable x gets blank and get property block to get the value from the slider. Let's do that. So we've got our variable. We're going to say speed for the variable, and then we need to get the property from the slider. So that one is called interval. All right, we need to get the value. Oh, we need to get the value. All right, and then this, we're going to say it's going to blink at the speed of speed. All right, so let's run. Okay, short. All right, long, medium, short. Excellent. That's all we had to do. Fabulous. That was easy. So let's finish and I'll see you on the next level.